How to purchase Maximuscoin MXZ using Trustwallet. Visit our web portal www.maximuscoin.io. Register your account to buy MXZ. Referral code is not necessary. Or simply log in if you already have an account. This screen appears as you log in. Now go to account and add your BNB wallet address from Trustwallet. Install Trustwallet from Playstore or App Store on your phone. Create your wallet on Trustwallet or add an existing one. Now click on Add Tokens. Click on plus sign present on the top right of the screen. Change the default network to BNB Smart Chain to add MXZ. Add MXZ smart contract address, you can easily find it on CoinMarketCap. Add custom token. MXZ now appears in your Trustwallet. Click on Receive MXZ, copy the wallet address and paste it on the portal. This is your wallet address that you'll use to buy and hold MXZ. And finally, you can buy MXZ via direct purchase with BNB or using the P2P purchase options. Make sure you have enough funds to make this purchase. Congratulations, you now own the Maximus coin.